So good day. This video will focus on the problems encountered in file processing system. To give you a short background, a file processing system is a type of system wherein each department or each section in the organization is maintaining their own files. For example, the human resource is a repository of the list of employees and their corresponding salary. On the other hand, the accounting office is also maintaining the same file. That type of organization of data is called a file processing system, meaning different sections or department in the organization is maintaining a set of files on their own. With that, we might encounter the following problems with file processing system. First is inconsistency of data. So this will happen. It's obvious that this will happen if there are updates in the human resource department and the accounting office is not informed. So uh, uh, inconsistency of data happens when certain employee, for instance, will update a file. For instance, a married woman want to update her last name. The accounting office might not be updated because the normal processing for updating of files will be the authority of the human resource. So the inconsistency of data will happen. Second is inflexibility. This is a general term wherein some data can be is not that flexible, considering that each department is maintaining their own file. Limited data sharing, of course, the only department that can share the data is the department who is holding the data. Third is poor enforcement of standards because it's hard to enforce different standards on data if different people are managing it. That means if a file in the human resource department will be organized this way because this is consistent with their mandate or in relation to their work, while the accounting office also have a different perspective on how they will organize data because they have different focus. So enforcement of standard is hard to implement. Lastly is excessive program maintenance. So this is also in support of inflexibility and inconsistency of inconsistent data because if you need to update really the data of a certain person, you need to also update other affected departments. So when you maintain a certain program, if this is in a digital form, it's a person or a data administrator needs to update each of the affected office. So in contrast to this, there is also the advantage of using the DBMS or database management system, which is the focus of another video.